There we go. Yep. Oh, it's a walleye.
Oh, nice.
We're out in the mud flats today on Mille Lacs and doing some walleye fishing.
Got it?
Yep, got it. Oh, it's a bass.
What?
It's a bass.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's a nice one. Get the net.
Gosh. There we go.
Wow. On the leech. Oh my gosh, look at where it hooked.
Wow. What is it? Just kind of swiped it, or?
Or is there just too many in there? You wouldn't expect bass to be out on mud flats.
Yeah.
There we go. Look at the back.
Wow.
It's nasty. Look at that. Look at that stuff.
2.5 pounder. That was a good fight, though.
It's pretty long. Got another one.
Nice.
Yep. Same size.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Another little one. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's a nice walleye. Oh, finally.
Wow, dude, these are giants in here, dude.
There we go. Drop shot walleye. There we go. There we go. Another nice size.
Oh man, that is a nice walleye.
Look at that. These are like nice, decent size.
Even though we can't keep them, it's still a lot of fun to catch them for sure.
There we go. Another one. Oh, got one. Yep.
Mama?
Yep, on the mega bass.
Mega bass always works. Never disappoints.
All 3 hooks. It's tiny.
Got it.
Got it?
Yep. It's a small one.
What?
Why are they all so small? I know. They're tiny over here. Oh. These small ones are fighters. But they're fighters, man. Oh, I love it. Here we go. Mille Lacs smallmouth.